Hello, my name is Anita Holland and I was recently asked to be a mystery shopper for ASDA at Fulwood. I can say that I've enjoyed the experience. I've been pleasantly impressed by the store and I was able to buy everything that I wanted. When I asked staff for help for items where I didn't know where they were, they gave me directions. They were very helpful and very pleasant in manner. I was impressed with the costs of some of the purchases, like things like the olives. These are very reasonable, and ASDA's own was very competitive compared to brand names. In addition, one of the reasons why I go to ASDA is that they find the pearl barley. I've moved to eating plant-based foods, and this is a key ingredient in one of the recipes that I use, and I've not been able to find it elsewhere, so very useful. The other thing that I'd like to point out is during this COVID period, a lot of items have been unavailable or shelves have been empty. That wasn't the case in ASDA. I didn't have any problem purchasing any product that I wanted, and one of the things that I was able to get was paracetamol. It's something that a lot of people had struggled to get, and I needed to get some for my mum as she can't take ibuprofen. The other thing that I'd like to point out as well was the produce was in very good condition. Like the aubergine, quite often when you purchase things like these in the fresh produce section, they're bruised, they're a bit battered, or they started to wilt and dry. It's perfect size. And also I have things like the courgettes. And the other thing that I liked was the peppers. Quite often when you buy a multi-pack, you get 2 green, 1 orange or 1 yellow in the middle. I actually want the red, the orange and the red and the yellow, and so I was pleasantly surprised to find that I didn't get all the green ones, which seem to be the ones that are that nobody wants. So I got exactly what I needed. And I found, even though I don't go to the store very often, it was clearly labelled. I could find most things that I wanted. The only reason I asked was because that was part of the mystery shopper checklist that I had to go through, but I think I could have found everything I wanted on my own because everything was labelled. It was quite logical how the items were ordered in the shop, and I particularly liked the fact that I could maintain social distancing. Quite often when I've been to other supermarkets, the aisles have been blocked by pallets, by staff congregating and talking and not moving out of the way. This was not the case in ASDA. They've got wide aisles, there was no pallets blocking the way, everything was tidy and made moving about the shop very easy. So I would rate my visit to ASDA as 4.7. I'm a bit of a hard taskmaster. It's nearer a 5, but it was 4.7 from my point of view. And I would go again. I don't normally go to ASDA, but I found it more value for money than I had appreciated. I thought it might be more costly than the supermarket I normally go to. Thank you.